Blue beyond borders, breeze getting broader. Clouds curl back like I caught on the order. Feather like flight, no friction, no fight. Slip through the slipstream, stitch day to night. Ceiling deleted, limits depleted. Gravity greeted and then quietly seated. Time tick, tick, turn to a tremble. Seconds disassemble, assemble, resemble. Wind in my wrist when I twist and exist. Fake yet faint when I faint like this. Past in a pocket, future fluid presence. So lucid I move right through it. Static, scattered, chatter get shattered. Matter don't matter when mine gets ratted. Sky comply when I apply pressure. Measure the weather, then weather the measure. Clock gets shocked when I ride that pace. Space make room when I move one place. Slow-mo motion, ocean of Vulcan. Hope unbroken, spoken in token. I don't chase it, I replace it. In one breath, respace it. Storm swirls soft when I sort that force. Course recourse with a clean cut course. Wrong way, wind just spin the wind. Every detour draw me in. Rise, revive what gravity said. Thread the dread to the dread misread. Syllable sky, synchronize. Line by line, I redesign. Flip the frame, rename the rain. Pain get plain, in plain get gain. Wordplay, world's way, whirl away. Yesterday been when I send it gray. Control, consummate.